Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit tags in Asana. All right, first up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and select a project. For example, this project right here. As you can see here, I already have tags. What we're going to do is just click on the task itself. Now, this page will pop up. As you can see here, here's the task name. And under fields, we have tags. Now, how do we add in some tags? All right, just go to the top right. Right here, you have three dots. Just click on it. And then as you can see here, you can just go ahead and click on add tags or press tab and T simultaneously. Okay, there you go. Say, for example, this one is fresh, doesn't have a tab. Just go ahead and click on the three dots once more. Add tags. Right here, as you can see, the tag section is available. Just select a tag that you have already created. For example, this one and another one, like for YouTube, like that. Hit on enter, choose the color, add in some more. For example, Brio High, create, select yellow, and that's it. Just click on this close button and the tags will be saved right here. Just click on tags and you can add in some tags right here as well. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.